The first stock is Castrol India. Now the chart is in daily time frame. Let me draw the important trend line in this chart. Okay, just observe the stock where it has tested the trend line. Now this trend line has been acting as a resistance since 2019. I mean April, in the month of April 2019, and now you can see it has given a breakout from this trend line. And also observe the volume when it gave a breakout. This shows that volume supported the breakout. So not only this, I can also draw one more pattern in this chart, and it goes like this. Okay, at the bottom I can draw one more trend line here. Now just observe this pattern. This is like a channel pattern. Since 2020, March 2020, the stock has been trapped inside these two lines, forming a channel pattern. And now it has given a breakout. Just observe this breakout region. It has given a breakout from both this channel pattern and also from this trend line. Now the stock has given a very good breakout and has come down for a retest, and now technically this upper this trend line should act as a support now. So let me switch it to weekly time frame. Yes, this is how it looks like. You can see it gave a very fantastic breakout and now come down for a retest, and now this stock is going to take support at this level somewhere here and start moving up. So I have taken a trade in this stock, and my entry is here. So during the formation of this green candle, I thought, this red candle has already touched this line, and when this green candle was forming, I thought it is taking a good support, and I entered. And today it has fallen a bit, but no worries. I'm still hoping this stock will take support here and move from its current level. The second stock is TCS. Now this chart is in daily time frame. Now let me draw important trend lines in this chart. Okay, the first trend line goes like this, and on the upper side, okay, just observe this pattern is also called as ascending triangle pattern, so which is also considered as a bullish pattern. So now what is bullish pattern? When a stock is trading in this kind of pattern, so most of the times it gives breakout on the upper side and start moving up from its breakout point. Now it has given a breakout. You can see the candle is strong, and also volume also supported a bit for this breakout, and today it has fallen like 1.3%, but it should take support somewhere here and start moving up. So even if it comes down from this level, there is also one more strong support region. So somewhere here it should take support and start move from its current level. I mean, it should start move up from its current level. Next stock is VRL Logistics. Now this chart is in weekly time frame. Now let me draw trend line in this chart. Okay, it goes like this. Just observe at various points this stock has tested the trend line, and this trend line has been acting as a resistance since 2018, and now it has given a breakout. Just observe the volume when it gave a breakout. So volume has supported this breakout, and now the stock has come down for a retest, and even the retest has also happened, and now this stock is ready to move up from this current level. And also let me switch it to daily time frame. Okay, just observe how it looks like, and now I can draw one more trend line on the downside. Okay, this is how it looks like. And now observe the volume when it when it gave a breakout, and now the stock has come down for a retest, and it has already started taking support from this support region. So technically the trend line which has been acting as a resistance should act as a support now, and this stock should move up from this current level. All these three stocks have given a very good breakout, and all of them have come down for a retest, and now they should take support from their breakout point and should move up from their current level. I hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe to get the timely update. And in my next video, I'll come up with more interesting stocks like this. Thank you.